Our next option is publishing to Word. When Storyline was first released and up until Review 360 became available, this was the primary way developers shared a lesson storyboard with SMEs and stakeholders. The developer would publish the project as a Word document and send that document out for review and comments. Although this process has largely been replaced by Review 360, publishing to Word can still be useful for organizations that require formal documentation or version approvals for their permanent training records. One thing to remember when publishing to Word is that although Word's modern format is docx, Storyline still publishes the document in the doc format. In most cases, this won't cause any issues, since current versions of Microsoft Word can still open and edit doc files. By now, the top section of the Publish window should look familiar. You can change the lesson title, add a description of the course, and choose the location where the Word document will be saved on your computer or your organization's network. In the Properties section, you'll see two checkboxes and a drop-down menu. Because this feature was originally intended for SME and stakeholder review and is still used for formal approvals, the Show Layers and Show Slide Notes checkboxes are selected by default. The Show Layers checkbox tells Storyline to include not only the base layer of each slide, but also any additional slide layers in the Word document. The Show Slide Notes checkbox tells Storyline to include the slide notes you entered in the project. These notes might contain developer notes to yourself, instructions for the SME about how the slide should function, or even the audio narration script that the learner will hear. Storyline will automatically include a screenshot of the slide's base layer, and if the Show Layers option is selected, it will also include screenshots of each additional layer. The Screenshot Size drop-down menu determines how large those screenshots will appear in the Word document. You'll have two options, medium and large. Why there is a medium and not a small is one of the great articulate mysteries.